Remember the movie Titanic with Jack and Rose and their unforgettable love story? While their characters were fictional, there is a real life story of incredible survival. Richard Norris Williams, a man who survived Titanic. Out of 2,000 plus passengers who onboarded Titanic, more than 70% perished on icy water. Then how did Richard survive? This real incident will make you rethink of those times when you felt life is too harsh on you, or the time when you thought nothing good ever happens. This is a tale of never giving up, no matter how impossible things may seem. It was April 15, 1912, a cold dark night in middle of Atlantic Ocean. A giant ship called Titanic, which was thought to be unsinkable, was on its first voyage. There was a young man on board named Richard Norris Williams. He was traveling with his father. Suddenly, Titanic hit a huge iceberg and started sinking. The panic spread like wildfire. People were scared, shouting and rushing to the lifeboats. But there were not enough lifeboats to save everyone. And Richard and his father found themselves thrown into freezing icy water. The water was so cold it felt like thousands needles were poking them. Unfortunately, Richard's father couldn't survive this. But Richard didn't give up. With a strong willpower, he made a promise to himself. Today is not the day I'm dying. He tried to swim around, but all in vain. Hours passed and Richard was clung to a lifeboat. After many hours, a rescue ship approached. They found Richard still breathing, and finally they rescued him on the other ship. But his troubles were far from over. On the rescue ship, doctor took a look at Richard. His legs were turned blue due to frostbite. Doctors advised Richard that your legs are badly damaged and you have to cut them off now. Otherwise, this infection will spread in the body and you may die of sepsis. Richard was shocked and scared that he wouldn't be able to walk again in his life. But then he made a very brave choice. He refused to give up. No, he said, I will get better. Just watch me. Doctors were surprised to see Richard's never give up attitude. A man who almost died and was in freezing water for many hours is ready to train his body for recovery. How is that even possible? Richard started walking around the ship, even though every step felt like walking on a broken glass. But he knew he had to walk to get the blood flowing to his legs again. He walked and walked days and nights. His legs hurt so much, but he didn't stop. Slowly, the blood returned to his legs and he started to heal. The doctors were amazed. Richard's determination has saved his legs. But Richard didn't stop there. He loved tennis and decided to play again. With his strong will and hard work, he became tennis champion. He won US championship twice and represented the country in Davis Cup. People started calling him a hero, not just because he survived Titanic, but because he showed what it means to never give up. Richard's story teaches us something really important. Just like the accident and icy water he faced, life can be really hard sometimes, but if we keep trying, keep walking, even if it hurts, nothing can stop us. Richard turned a terrible night to a shining example of courage and never give up attitude. So next time you face a tough situation, think of Richard. Remember, you have the power to overcome it. No matter how hard it seems, just keep moving. Keep going forward step by step, never giving up. Your determination and willpower can turn impossible to a possible.